he puts on the boats, and then they're going to, and fly on the boats, and they're going stripped. When we on the shore, yeah, and then they're going out. He gets the closing gates and the doors. I mean the doors. There's the closing doors and into the armies and it's to press on the locks and then unlock and put it all in the row. And it's suddenly being locked. Nope, no. Wait a minute. The microphones. He goes to the record. At the sounds that turn on and that's it. That's it, man, coming by this truck. He knows the guy has showed it in a postcard and the white, and then the white is for it. There he goes! The 50 seconds, he's gonna blow! We take on the blow to make the 50 seconds in a row!
15, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire.
Wow! Oh no! The giant bomb has a going too! Oh no! The X-Soldier logos and they are going to turn! What do we do? The X-Soldier logos! Okay, let it go back, then it kaboom! Then kapir when I'm down it! Let's go back, and this one, go back! Whoa! Oh no! The bomb is going to it! Oh my god, what's going on to me? Oh no! The giant bomb! Uh-oh, the giant bomb! Now begin to leave the good habit going to feature my holes again. So let's go back and now let's try.
Eventually covered the entire target fleet.
And now it's going to uh-oh! Oh no! The X-Soldier in the logo! Oh my god! He was a kaboom and now another tonight! That is just on and that's it. And then finally
the next scene is
the funny thing I want to the system I ever do with a system. Uh-oh! Oh no! What's happening? It's an X-Soldier logo and they're going to say kaboom now to me! Wow! Oh my god! It's a guy doing a system! Now begin is a situation. Okay, ready to start recording to me.